are awake but still sleepy. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Can you come closer here? I have to whisper. Ay, you cannot be seen. Cannot be seen. Okay, I'll do it like this. I have to whisper. Shh, listen. Christine, you cannot be seen. I have to whisper so Daddy won't hear Inka. Inside. Okay, that's why we're here, because there's no Kami here. Okay, so today is Daddy's birthday. Okay, so today we will pretend like you and Kuya will go to school. You will take a bath. You will wear your uniform. But we're heading straight to airport to go to Angon, okay? Be quiet. So, be quiet. Are you ready for the surprise? Dear the Son and Holy Lord, we pray that you watch over me and my family today as we travel by grace. Happy birthday, Dada! Hoy, do not answer my phone, ha? Do not answer when Daddy calls. We have to think which Ate's ID, Nesa's ID, and Kuya's ID. The small one.
Mommy, I can't hold Papa phone every time. This is mine?
Yeah, the one with the...
Mommy, I can't hold Papa phone all the time. My lost it. I have no bag. Mommy. Loving with that.
She cannot be seen. Uy! Oh my gosh. We need to go pala too. Go, go, go! Yay! The baby's excited!
And Papa phone also excited for the world.
It's 7 times more expensive than in phone.
And I like to be here.
I'm thirsty.
Lisa, what can you say?
About what?
Excited?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna
What are you gonna do there?
make a cake. Sleep.
Sleep?
Make a cake.
What?
Make a cake.
Make cake? Marley? Oh yeah. Oh, why are we going there?
Because it's Daddy's birthday.
That is good there.
Daddy's 41st birthday.
And he's
That is
older
old.
than you. Yeah. Now I consider you young and Daddy old. But you'll get older soon.
Yay! This side here. I think this is the one. 49 and 50.
There you go.
Yes, ma'am, Kuya. Show me
We
your
have a
prize.
possible winner in Zone E, Zone B, and Zone E.
ba? Kuya mo? Ay, absent. Go, go, go. Bless, oy, bless, tita. Bless, tita, bless. Oh, nice to be back here again. Hello, Mamila. Bakit to? Asa si Kuya? Bless, bless, bless. Hi, Kuya Luis. Oh, they're super excited po. Alam, but they're busy. They're busy. I'm gonna go there straight muna. Go there straight.
Hindi po niya. Hindi ko lang tayo doon muna natawag. Tapos tawagin natin sila. Babate. Okay.
So, ito ba ba dito?
Hindi, ano yung tawag muna? Tapos tataan natin sila tatawagin.
Okay, I think this is good. Thank you.
Uy! Yay! Bakit di ka gumagalaw? Tulog ang birthday boy. Hi, Kuya! Happy birthday! Kamusta? Oh, kagigising mo lang? Happy birthday! Oo. Oo. Anong plano?
Ang pesta, di ba?
Sabi ko, wala, ba't wala sumasagot?
Kasi hindi ko magana yung messenger dito, kaya ako mag-open ako ng VPN, ganyan.
Oo.
So, okay na.
Kaya,
Okay na.
ito ba?
Naka-date.
Kinunta na. Ako sa inyo.
Okay lang.
Go, go.
Ito si Bogo, happy birthday daw. Sige na. Ano siya, nakikiss siya. Ito, meron din dito eh, si Bogo. Oh, yung isang Bogo. May isa pa kaming Bogo eh. Oh, meron pa isang Bogo.
Hi, Daddy.
Happy birthday! They skip class.
Reaction video. Surprise! Kami din na surprise.
Kami din nga, surprise eh. Biglang may dumating, nandito kayo. Walang abiso.
Kaya, hindi ko yan.
Pasok kayo ah. Yan din ang sabi ko, ha? Bakit? Iiyak na yan. Umiyak ka na.
Every day you play me.
Okay, so listen to
Nakabahan kasi nga yung sinasabi.
Ano? Oh, reaction video din! Oh my God! Isa na reaction video! Puro reaction video.
Surprise!
Ang dilim eh. Kasi napalimutan yung mo. Napalimutan yung mo.
Oh, gising ka na, gising ka na.
Which one do you like? Yan.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful?